Welcome back to Bike Rush, the channel where we break down the most exciting motorcycles shaping the future of riding. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Honda CRF 750L, a middleweight adventure and dual-sport machine designed to balance off-road toughness with long-distance comfort. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L slots perfectly between lightweight dual sports and heavyweight adventure bikes. Built for riders who want serious trail capability without sacrificing highway confidence, the CRF 750L represents Honda's vision of a true all-rounder, reliable, rugged, and ready for anything. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CRF 750L is a refined 750 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine tuned for strong low and mid-range torque. This setup delivers smooth, predictable power for technical trails while offering enough punch for relaxed highway cruising. Honda's engineering focuses on efficiency and durability, making the engine ideal for long rides and remote adventures. The 2026 model features a slick-shifting 6-speed gearbox, with an optional dual-clutch transmission for riders who prefer clutch-free control. Multiple riding modes adjust throttle response, traction control, and power delivery, allowing the bike to adapt easily from dirt tracks to paved roads. Honda equips the CRF 750L with a lightweight yet strong frame designed for stability and agility. Long travel suspension at both ends ensures excellent absorption over rocks, ruts, and uneven terrain. The suspension setup strikes a balance, firm enough for spirited riding, yet comfortable for extended touring. Braking duties are handled by high-performance disc brakes with switchable ABS, allowing riders to disable rear ABS for off-road riding. Spoked wheels paired with dual-purpose tires provide durability and grip, making the CRF 750L confident on gravel, sand, and asphalt alike. The 2026 CRF 750L comes loaded with modern tech, including a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity. Navigation support, ride data, and customization options are easily accessible. LED lighting improves visibility, while advanced rider aids enhance safety without interfering with the riding experience. Honda has paid special attention to rider comfort. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat reduce fatigue on long journeys. Adjustable ergonomics allow riders of different heights to find their ideal setup, making the CRF 750L suitable for daily commuting as well as cross-country trips. Fuel efficiency is one of the CRF 750L's strongest points. Combined with a generously sized fuel tank, the bike offers an impressive riding range, perfect for adventure touring where fuel stops may be limited. True to its CRF heritage, the 750L excels off-road. Balanced weight distribution, responsive throttle control, and rugged components allow it to tackle trails with confidence. Whether climbing rocky paths or cruising forest roads, the bike feels controlled and capable. Despite its off-road focus, the CRF 750L remains composed on highways. Stable handling, minimal vibration, and smooth power delivery make long-distance road riding comfortable and enjoyable. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is a versatile, well-rounded adventure motorcycle that bridges the gap between trail bike and tourer. With Honda's legendary reliability, modern technology, and balanced performance, it's an ideal choice for riders who want one bike to do it all. That's our breakdown of the 2026 Honda CRF 750L here on Bike Rush. If you're looking for a dependable adventure machine ready for both dirt and paving,